Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by opening Settings on iPhone/iPad or System Preferences on Mac. On a browser, go to Icloud. Enter your Apple ID email as the identifier. This tells Apple which account to unlock. Once done, you'll be prompted for a password. Enter it carefully because repeated failures trigger security. If you don't remember the password, choose Forgot Password now to start recovery. This redirects you through verification so you can regain access without guessing. You'll need to verify identity. Approve the two-factor request on a trusted device or enter the SMS code sent to your phone. If those options aren't available, follow the alternate recovery flow. You may use your recovery email or answer security questions. This exists to prove ownership. Once verified, you will be allowed to create a new password. Choose a unique, strong password and update it across devices so everything reconnects smoothly and your account stays secure. After resetting, sign back into each device and allow iCloud to resync your data. Make sure photos, contacts, and backups are enabled if you want full restoration. Once everything works, enable or review two-factor authentication and update recovery contacts to avoid future lockouts. If you still can't access the account because of activation lock or missing verification, contact Apple support. Have purchase receipts or ID ready, because that proof speeds manual account recovery and resolves tougher security holds.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.